The caves of Santo Antonio were discovered accidentally in 1955 when two men working at a place went through a large opening as they were trying to catch a bird. Very fastly, the geologists, the archaeologists started coming with the matches, lanterns, and everything they could to discover what was inside the cave. The caves were discovered 150 million years after the Middle Jurassic Age. The cave is 6,000 square meters. There are 3 lakes in it. The dominating stone here is limestone, and the clear stone is permeable and sedimentary, and the water can pass through. 40 meters down the ground, so the water keeps coming down. The imagination here is the limit. There is no cave in the Europe with so many formations. The Santo Antonio Caves are impressive for their monumental room, crossed by small watercourses and natural lakes with temperatures between 60 degrees centigrade and 18 degrees Celsius, completely filled with stalactites and stalagmites, both caves constituting an extraordinary work of art, nature which invites us to dive into an adventure and a natural imaginary whose differences adults and children will try to unravel. There can be seen white or red color or some dark colors that prove that there are some minerals. The white color shows that the water has passed through the limestone. If it's red, then it means that the soil either contains a lot of iron or magnesium. The formation of the extremely new limestone massif began with the decomposition of materials that gave rise to the limestones that were modeled, suffering compressions, fractures, and elevations, thus forming the Santo Antonio Plateau that we know today, around 165 million years ago, during the Middle Jurassic. So, the question comes in our mind, how are limestone caves formed? Limestone regions can have caves with spectacular formations resulting from the precipitation of calcium carbonate, which is one of the components of limestone. Thus, these formations are formed. These formations are known as stalactites if they form from the ceiling, and stalagmites if they form from the ground. Rainwater comes slightly acidic by dissolving carbon dioxide from the air according to the reaction. This carbonic acid reacts with calcium carbonate, forming calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is dissolved in water. As this water flows through the caves, the decrease in pressure and the earth increase in temperature inside the earth causes the opposite reaction to occur, giving rise to the formation of a precipitate of calcium carbonate. Sometimes these formations meet and form columns. Generally, stalagmites are wider than stalactites and have a less pointed end. The cave has been decorated with thyme, water, and mineral salts.